you want to make the video so that you can refer.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm telling, I will tell everything. This is media, okay. This is nutrient mixture F10 hams.
Okay.
Now the portion is, now thing is that I want to make it 10%.
Okay.
Okay, 10%, this is 100 ml. I want to make it at 10% MPS. So 100 ml, like you have to take out 10 ml media,
Okay.
and you have to keep the media aside, or you can discard the media, and in that 10 ml media you add 10 ml of MPS.
Okay.
That becomes 10%.
Okay.
10 ml in 90 ml, total volume 100
Yeah,
ml. That is
10%.
10%. And for more prominent, if you add 1 ml antibiotics, then you have to draw 11 ml.
Okay.
11 ml of fresh media, and then you need to add 10 ml of this MPS and 1 ml of antibiotics. Total become 89 ml media, 11 ml becomes 100 ml.
100 ml.
So 10% MPS, 1% antibiotics. This is
Okay.
the calculation from it. Okay.
Nice.
So what's this? This is just don't wasting the media. I'm just washing it. Okay. So this is 10. This is 11. Not an issue. Simply washing.
In that case, why we are not using BPS?
Huh?
BPS.
PVS, because yesterday only I changed the media. I given fresh media, and but the yesterday media was 4% FPS, and today I'm increasing the FPS, so I'm washing it with media, fresh media. It's the same. PVS is excess of media. If the color changes to brown of the metabolites, if you see yellow color metabolites, then there is a needed for washing with PVS. Now this is the media done. Now here, what should I do? I will discard this thing. Now it's time to discard. This is done. Okay, now I need to add FPS. But it's always the recommended that every time you are using media, you add everything, you need to filter it. You have to filter it.
Yes.
It's sterile filter and then transfer into another one, so that you're free from any impurities.
Whenever you use new media.
New media, but anyway, we are skipping it because
that was not filtered FPS before.
Yeah, but it filter twice, but regular wise I'm not filtering it.
Yeah.
But it's better if you filter it. But also you have to filter because you have to keep in mind FPS is very thick, and with 0.2 ml it's very difficult to pass it. But you should filter. So we are adding 10 ml media.
You are using humps for bank also.
Yeah, because we don't have media.
Mm.
DMEM last time I threw that media because it got contaminated. I showed you,
Mm.
huh? And you, if you remember, the color of DMEM was also white.
Mm.
It is without phenol red,
Mm.
and this is also without phenol red.
Mm.
Because for any microscopic experiment, it's recommended for use the media without phenol red.
Mm.
Because see, phenol red is an indicator.
Mm.
If there is any contamination, then phenol red color will change.
Mm.
Because of bacterial growth, it will, the color of the media will get changed. But without this phenol red, it will difficult to identify the contamination very early stage. The media color will not change. But if you check in other media, DMEM, red or any other media, AVM, if you check, within 24 hours or 48 hours, you can see the difference with the color of the media. So that is the advantage of using phenol red. Okay. Now, for microscopic experiment for NTTSA, it's recommended to use this media without phenol red.
Free.
Yeah. So as I said, we don't have. Okay. And this is antibiotics. So I will be using it. Down. Work here with very carefully. Okay, you have to be very careful. You cannot keep this place untidy. Like any droplets, whether it's media or MPS, you have to clean first with this tissue paper. You rub it, and then 1 or 2 drops alcohol, then rub it second. This is, you have to keep it. This is 1 ml. So previously, this is this is like antifungal antibiotics. This is not pure antibiotics. Okay.
1 ml.
1 ml.
1000 units. Penicillin and
Antimycotic. This is antimycotic. Yeah, antibiotics, antimycotics. Like it's contain penicillin G
penicillin G, how much?
and
1000
streptomycin sulfate. The unit is not mentioned here. I have to check it out. Okay, this is finished here, and we will put it here. So the media is ready. Okay, but it's not ready unless and until you do filter, sterile
Yes,
filter.
yes.
Unless and until you do filtration, it's not ready. But for our work, media is ready. This is complete media. Okay, complete media is like adding MPS. It's
Yes.
complete.
Yeah.
Our incomplete media is nothing without adding MPS, fresh media. This is incomplete media.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to maintain the number of cells
Then
as it
incomplete
is,
media.
incomplete.
Okay. This is, now I'm going to add. I'm adding 10 ml, more than 10 ml, 15 ml media, so that enough media is there. sufficient media. I'll keep it as it is. You will
Yeah,
rub with, and you have to remember where to keep which one. This is minus 20 fps and nitrogen, and this is antibiotics should be kept in minus 20, and this media always in freeze. Okay, with paraffin filter. I have to wash this one. Okay, this portion should be washed properly because it's also remain in touch with this outer environment, and this portion enter inside. It's the source of contamination. This is okay. This is done. This is rubbing. It's almost done. Check this. From tomorrow, there will be a significant growth. You will be surprised to see the difference.
Confluence here, how will you know? Percent. Is that a kind of estimation?
Yeah, 70% confidence we can understand by not. This is like according to your eye, human eye, but it's not only 70%, but you can understand. We will see a significant growth in this pattern. Putting it over time. These two cells are almost identical. Cells survive like yeah, this is the nature of your C6.
A kind of dendritic.
Yeah,
structure.
You have seen dendritic. This is the nature of C6. And this is of course A549.
Yeah.
You see, every cell is different. Every cell is different. You can understand. If you check the morphology, you can understand why cells are different, why cells require different. This is, you see, the color of the media is as it is. But this is not the reality. The color has changed because it
A little bit change.
no, in eyes you cannot check because it is like they have already metabolites and they have secreted the metabolites in this media. But have you seen any change here? No, because it's devoid of phenol red. In the phenol red, the only function is that if there will be the growth of bacteria also,
It
and
can-
bacteria also consume FBS, and after consuming FBS, a cell as well as bacteria will metabolize. It will release its metabolites in the medium, and when it metabolite come in contact with the phenol red, it will give the color.
Oh, okay, you
That
can
is-
easily
yeah.
identify.
Yeah. We can identify.
Now it is difficult because there is
and
no.
there's no favorite. That's difficult to understand for you. Understand it. And one more thing is that in case of cell, they will multiply within 48 hours. And bacteria, in case of if there is any contamination, bacteria will multiply in 12 hours. Every 12 hours, like in 24 hours, it will give two times multiplication. Two times because
Okay,
it's
it's-
doubling. Today
So-
64, and in after 2 hours it'll say 124, 120, like this way. And more metabolites will release, and more metabolites, the color change immediately, and finally you will get contamination goes on. So this is the condition. Okay. You understand?
Yes.
So this is done. You close it.
I should try.
Yeah.